If you love crappie and bass fishing, Camp Tiger on beautiful Tiger Lake, just east of Lake Wales, may be the right place for you. It's a small resort with a mix of RVs, mobile homes, great views of the lake, and a boat slip for every resident, plus a boat ramp. From Lake Tiger, you can access the entire Kissimmee chain of lakes. There are great residents with frequent gatherings at the fire pit, parties, and fisherman camaraderie. Kincaid Auction is conducting an internet estate auction of a totally remodeled mobile home in the park. The home features a spacious kitchen and living room area, 2 bedrooms, spacious utility room, 2 bathrooms, one with a brand new walk-in tub and shower combination. A total roof over has been added with a large carport area in front. Has 2 storage sheds separate from the house, a gazebo, and handicap ramp. Enjoy a low lot rent of only $300 per month, and that includes water, sewer, and garbage removal. Additionally, we will be auctioning all of the home furnishings, including a gun safe, washer, dryer, easy-go golf truck. There's a Glastron runabout, and also a long gun collection, plus tools and many other items. There's also a separate 18 by 32 foot enclosed shed with an electric door. If you live in the park, you can leave the shed on the site for only $300 per year. Go to www.kincaid.com to see the catalog and register to bid. Bidding will end on November the 6th. Whether you want to be a permanent resident of the area or just have a weekend getaway in a nice atmosphere, Camp Tiger and this property is waiting for you. www.kincaid.com. Get all of the details and follow the links to register and bid.